Chapter 1. 1. Multiple choice cloze. 2. Open cloze. 3. Word formation. 4. Keyword transformations. 1. Multiple choice cloze. For questions 1 to 8, read the text below and decide which answer A, B, C, or D best fits each gap. There is an example, 0, at the beginning done for you. First, let's read over the text just to get the general idea. In the exam, you will need to mark your answers on the separate answer sheet as shown below. Example: contrary, although, whether, unless. It's never about the accent. A lot of people believe that the secret to a new language is all about speaking to natives and trying to the perfect English accent. In reality, this couldn't be further from the truth. And thing to remember is that the perfect accent should not be your main focus. Rather, obtaining an excellent pronunciation is far more important. Given that English has so many different accents and peoples spread out all over the world, when you think about it, it just doesn't make to try to acquire an American or British accent. Because one could also make about the Australian, Canadian, New Zealand, Nigerian, and many other accents. Why people fuss over an accent is bewildering and, quite frankly, not worth your time. Also, very non-native speakers actually speak English with a perfect British or American accent, but a plethora of non-native English speakers speak English fluently as their second, third, or even fourth language. Is to immerse yourself in the Anglo culture, whether that be reading books or watching series on Netflix, in order to achieve that much needed perfect pronunciation.